Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Fan Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Multivan style. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. Power is delivered through a smooth 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. This example comes finished in a lovely two-tone colour combination, mono silver over energetic orange. Taking a look at some of the exterior features, up front we'll find a set of IQ light LED matrix headlamps that feature LED daytime running lights. The vehicle also benefits from having a set of front parking sensors set into the front bumper. The Multivan sits on a set of 19-inch Hamstadt alloy wheels which come in a multi-spoke design as well as a two-tone colour combination. Moving towards the back of the vehicle, the rear windows as well as the rear windscreen all come with privacy glass. Located just above the rear number plate is a rear view reversing camera, and paired with a set of rear parking sensors, this allows you to make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. The vehicle also features an electric tailgate which has a key fob operation. Opening up the tailgate and taking a look into the boot space, there's a sizable amount of storage as well as a parcel shelf. Access into the rear passenger area can be found on either side of the vehicle through twin power sliding doors. A total of 5 seats in the rear, and letting in plenty of sunlight is a glass panoramic sunroof. In the middle there is a multi-function table which pops up and can be slid the entire length of the vehicle, providing additional tabletops for the rear passengers to enjoy. Up front in the driver's cab we'll find 2 singular seats, both with 2 armrests each. All the seats in the vehicle come finished in the Art Velours fabric upholstery. In the centre of the dash, in the forms of entertainment, we'll find a 10-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows users to access all their favourite radio stations, as well as use the wireless App Connect feature, which allows you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Throughout the rest of the centre console, we'll find 2 cup holders, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather-trimmed steering wheel, as well as a digital cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Multivan style. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.